Mistakes are part of your creative process, but in Premiere Pro, sometimes those mistakes can make bad video. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to undo a command or an action within Premiere Pro. This is by far the best way to do it. So let's get into it. So there are a few ways of undoing your changes in Premiere Pro. The first and most obvious one is using on your keyboard Control Z. And this will be undo. Now, if you want to redo an action that you've just undone, it's Control Shift Z. If you go up to the menu at the top over here and you click on Edit, you will see an undo and a redo, and it'll show you the shortcuts right over here. Another thing that you can do, if you want to get into a little bit more detail, right over here on the bottom left-hand side, you'll see Effects, and you can actually add a tab here. So let's go up to Window, and let's look for History. Now, once you've opened History, this is what it will look like. So these are all of the actions that you have taken in your project. Now, all you need to do is click on any one of these actions, and it will revert back to the stage where that was the last action that was taken.